Guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own decals on a Mac for Roblox. So without further ado, let's get straight on into the video. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is press create, and it should take you to this page. If it doesn't, what I did was just press it again. Now you're just going to want to press decals. Now, if we're gonna search up on the internet for your picture, just make sure that it's a PNG, JPG, TPG, TGA, or a BMP. Once you found the picture that you like, you're just going to want to right click or double click and then press save image as. Now it should pop up on your device on the home page. Then you want to go back to the Roblox page and press choose file and choose the file you just saved. Then you press upload and it should pop up. Then you just press that. Now I'm going to show you how to enter the decal on Bloxburg. Then you're going to want to press this on the Roblox page. Then you're going to only copy the numbers that you see. Here's how mine look, and I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot and make it a decal. Now to take the screenshot on the Mac, you're just going to want to press these three buttons at the same time. Shift Command 3. Now I'm just going to speed up this process because you already know. Here's the finished product. Hopefully this tutorial helped. If there's any questions or concerns, please leave them down in the comments below. And thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications so you'll never miss an upload. Bye!